You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Very common, very useful word to know in French. It means a way to do something, façon de faire. So the French pronunciation is façon, alright? The CD, the little symbol below the C there, means that it's a S sound, okay? Without the CD, it'd be facon, okay? But it's not facon, it's façon. Une façon, or la façon, a way to do something, a way to think, for example, façon. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.